Now we will work out one more example for finding out the candidate key. So this is the question they have given ABCD, relation ABCD with the functional dependency, this one. Okay, from this we have to find the candidate key. Okay, so how to find? The first process is we have to take the super key. Okay, so ABCD will take the closure of ABCD. ABCD closure equal to ABCD. Okay, so super key is ABCD. Okay, so we have found out the super key is ABCD. Okay, so the super key is ABCD. How can we minimize the super key? I will just write super key is A, B, C, D. Okay, is there any possibility to remove any of the attribute from or minimize the super key? Look here, AB is determining CD. AB determining CD. That is AB it is determining CD. So CD we don't have to write CD. We can eliminate the CD. CD can be eliminated. Okay. Any other reduction possible? D to B. No, it is not possible. C to A. No more reduction is possible. Okay. So AB is our new super key. Okay. Super key is AB. AB new super key is AB. Clear? Now we will again if you want to check whether this AB is a super key, you just take the closure of AB. Okay, AB the closure eduthu nokkike, AB closure. If you are getting ABCD, then it is a super key. The first value is AB. Okay, then the second value, look at the functional dependency, AB determining CD. Okay, so it will be CD. So ABCD. So AB can be a super key. Clear? So our super key, minimized super key is what? Minimized super key is A, B. Okay. Now we have to find out the find out the super key AB can be a candidate key. That is our next task. Okay. Clear? So AB can be a candidate key. So we will take the closure of the subset. Closure. We will take the closure of the subset. What are the subset of this AB? Subset of AB is A and B. Okay. So we will take the closure. A closure. What is the answer? B closure. What is the answer? We will find it out. Okay. A closure. What is the answer? A. Anything is starting with A. So first A closure, first value is A itself. A. Anything is starting with A? No, nothing is starting with A. Okay. So only A is available here. Okay. So only A is here. Now what about B closure? Anything is starting with B? No, nothing is starting with B. So only value is B. Okay. So B, A and B, they are not super key. They are not super key. Okay. So the subset is not a super key. Clear? So this super key. So AB can be the candidate key as well as. Okay. AB can be the candidate key also. Okay. And the prime attribute. What is the prime attribute? Prime attribute is A, comma B. A, comma B are the prime attribute. Okay, now you just check whether any more functional dependencies, any more candidate keys are there. How to check? You look at the prime attribute. If any of the prime attributes are available in the RHS, RHS prime attributes A undo. A is there and B is also there. Okay, A and B are there. So how can we find it out? Okay, how can we sort it out? Clear? That is our next task. Okay, so I will note down the first candidate key here. Okay, so candidate key equal to, write it here, candidate key CK equal to, first one is AB. Okay, AB കിട്ടി. ഇനി രണ്ടാമത്തത് Okay. The prime attribute is available in this one. അല്ലേ എവിടെയൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ട് D to B and C to A. Okay, so these prime attributes, this is candidate key, so it will be the prime attribute. So A and B is available in the RHS of this these two functional dependency. So the super key, actually AB was a super key. The super key A and B can be replaced as what? A നമുക്ക് എന്ത് വെച്ച് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? A can be replaced as C. അല്ലേ? C determines A അല്ലേ? So A can be replaced with C, then B can be replaced with D. So the new super key is CD. Okay, if you want you can check whether this CD is a super key by taking the closure, and if the closure contains all the values it will be a super key. Okay, so our new super key will be CD. Okay, examine നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുപോലെ വെട്ടി എഴുതരുത്, you need all the steps. Okay, so the new super key will be CD. Clear? You just check whether this C and D is candidate key. That's the next task. Okay, how to find? You take the closure. What is the subset of CD? Subset of CD is C and D. So take the closure of C closure and D closure. Okay, what is C closure? What is C closure? The first value is C. Anything is starting with C, yeah, A is starting. Okay, sorry, C determines A, so we can write A. Anything is starting with C, no, A, only starting with AB, so CA is the answer. So CA is not a super key. Okay, our super keys are AB, CD, ABCD. Okay, now D closure. D closure, what is answer? D closure, anything is starting with D. First answer is D. Anything is starting with D? Yes, B. DB. Okay, DB. Anything starting with B? No. So DB is the super key. Sorry, closure. So CA and DB, they are not super keys. They are not super keys. So we can say that the CD can be candidate key. Okay, so the CD can be candidate key. I am rubbing because I don't have any space, that is why I am rubbing it. Okay, so the candidate key, new candidate key will be CD. Prime attribute will be C, D. Clear? Now we will again check whether any more now we will note it down. Before that I will note it down. Already we have got two candidate keys, AB, CD. CD is the next candidate key. So AB, CD. Now we will check any more candidate keys are there. For that you look at the prime attributes. If any of the prime attributes are there in the RHS C, D. Yes, C, D, it is here. Okay, it is here. Clear? So we should have any replacement for that. Clear? So I am rubbing it. So our super key was CD. Okay, CD must have a replacement. So which functional dependency is had this RHS value CD? This one. So the CD can be replaced as what? AB. CD can be replaced as AB. CD can be replaced as AB. So new super key will be what? AB. Clear? But AB is already a super key. We have already found out that it is a super key as well as it is a candidate key. Okay, so this operation will be again repeating, so we don't have to do it again. Clear? So we can stop here. Clear? So the final final candidate key is A, B, C, D. Prime attribute is A, B, comma C, comma D. Okay, this is the answer. This is also a university question. Okay, this is how the question comes. Clear? Thank you.